The 200A 7-in-1 Welder Combo offers a versatile solution for both professional welders and DIY enthusiasts, capable of handling various tasks from welding to cutting. Equipped with advanced IGBT technology, this welder ensures a stable and consistent current output, making it ideal for both fine aluminum and thick steel welding. Safety is a top priority with its intelligent protection system, which includes safeguards against overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits, ensuring smooth operation. The large LCD display provides real-time data monitoring, allowing users to make precise adjustments effortlessly, enhancing the overall efficiency of the welding process. Its dual voltage capability allows the welder to be used in various locations, whether at home or on a construction site, offering flexibility and convenience. With the ability to perform plasma cutting with a thickness of up to 12 millimeters, this machine is perfect for workshops and large-scale projects, making it a must-have tool.